In this video, I'm gonna show you how to allow recording on Google Meet for your future meetings. The first step is to sign in first into your Google account, and also a reminder is that if you allow users to record calls and meetings, they can find them in the Meet Recordings folder in Google Drive. Recordings are saved for 3 months. To make sure users can access to your recordings, you need to make sure the users have Drive turned on. Make sure the users have permission to create new files in their Drive. After doing this, you need to head in the admin console after logging in. Then head to the menu, then click the apps and tap Google Workspace, and then you will find the Google Meet here, so select Google Meet. This will redirect you into this tab, so you need to navigate or click the Meet video settings. Now navigate in the lower part to recording section, and you will notice this let people record their meetings with the box beside it. Check the box beside it, and now the recording for meetings is now turned on. Lastly, click the save button. And that's it. You can now enjoy and allow recording in your meeting sections, and that's how you can turn on recording on Google Meet. And thank you for listening.